On the table today, I've got this 15 3/4 inch magnetic rechargeable light bar. It has a massive 7500 mAh internal battery, 216 built-in LEDs, and an advertised output of up to 8000 lumens. If you've ever needed bright, cordless lighting for a garage, workshop, car repair, camping, or even a power outage, this is designed to cover all of those situations in one tool. Let's open it up and see what you get. In addition to the light bar itself, you will find a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. There's no power brick included, so you'll need to use any standard USB wall adapter or a powered USB port you already have to charge the light. Also included is a small Ziploc bag that contains 4 adhesive metal circles you can use to create magnetic mounts for your light in your most used areas. Now, let's take a look at the light bar. Pulling it out of the protective dust bag, it feels solid, with a bit of weight to it, which makes sense considering the size of the battery inside. Also inside the bag, you will find a small instruction manual. It provides a list of what is included in the box, and quick instructions on how to use the light. There are 3 light modes, a red and blue flashing mode, stepless brightness mode, and an SOS mode. The directions are a little vague, but we will demonstrate all of the modes in this video. The other side provides warranty information, shows how to charge the light, and illustrates how it can be used as a power source for any USB-A device. You can quickly mount the light using the 2 magnets on the back, or hang it using the foldable hook. The front has an impressive 216 LEDs, making it quite bright. And on the side, there is a 1/4 inch threaded hole for a standard tripod. On the side with the controls, under a protective cover, there is the USB-C charging input port and USB-A power output port. Next to it is the power button. And finally, there is also a small display. We'll go ahead and plug it into a USB-C power source to charge it up. Once plugged in, you will see flashing levels and a green lightning bolt, indicating that the light bar is charging. When it is fully charged, these lights just turn off. Now, let's go through all of the different lighting modes that this bar is capable of. Clicking on the power button turns the light on, and the display shows the battery level at 100%. This is white light mode. Another click moves to yellow light. This is an amber style light that's easier on the eyes for camping or nighttime use. And another click changes the light to warm white mode, which is best for regular use to light up a room. Finally, if you click again, it will change the light into red and blue flashing mode. And the next click turns off the light. With the light off, if you press and hold the power button, it will turn into SOS mode. With all of these different light options, this bar is a great multi-purpose tool. Depending on brightness and mode, you can get anywhere from between 4 to 10 hours of use on a full charge. Finally, let's show you how to steplessly adjust brightness. By holding the button, you can smoothly dim the light up or down, rather than being locked into fixed levels. This makes it easy to fine-tune the output, depending on what you're doing, and helps conserve battery when full brightness isn't needed. Finally, there is an added bonus. The light can be used as a power bank. You can charge other devices from it using the USB port, making it a perfect portable light for outdoor activities, emergency kits, camping, and storm preparedness. You merely plug in a USB-A cable and then plug in your device, just like any portable battery charger. Now let's see it in actual use. If you lose power, this is a great emergency light. Since it is cordless and portable, you can easily carry it to wherever you need light and illuminate an entire area. In addition, we loved the magnetic mounting option, as you can just find anything metal and stick it there to hold it in place. We found it to be sufficiently bright, not a stadium floodlight, but bright enough to light a small room, an entire workbench, tent, or garage bay. And speaking of garage bay, it is perfect for car work as well. We found you can easily use the magnetic mounts to also fasten it to a car hood to brighten up the engine area. We hope you found this video informative. We did receive this unit in exchange for this honest review. Thanks for watching.